What do you know? It's airplane building time again. Here we are, the 1030 S build with me, Scott. We got a little piece glued on. I got the fiberglass nose on, and got a. I'm gonna hold up putting this bulkhead in here because you can see it fits right about here. If I move this bulkhead up in there some more, it quits fitting. So wherever this goes, this bulkhead needs to be at the end of it. It shows it being right at the very front of the plane, which right now about 2 inches off. And the thing is, I need to see how far the motor and the prop stick out on this new engine. So I know where to put this. Let me show you. See, this needs to be where the pretty much the just past the face of the redrive gear, which looking at the motor, it's a small motor. I'm thinking about putting it up to here. So that means this whole piece will have to slide this way quite a bit, and it's not going to fit on there if it don't. I kind of like it, but it's not going to look right anywhere but right where it's sitting almost. Anyway, we'll wait on the motor to get here. Meanwhile, we'll get this dashboard glued up and cut in the holes for the level aviation airplane computer. That's a lot of stuff in that small package. All right, let's get started. It's not going to be a long video tonight, but we'll get some stuff done. I'm going to go ahead and drill these little holes for my starter switch. When I get done with this video, I'm going to put this plywood that goes around here. Go ahead and get it wet and bend it. Got two pieces. One goes here, and then another one up here. And where I put this next bulkhead is going to be where I break the joint at. It shows it here and there. Anyway, I'm going to end up moving it. It'll end up being probably somewhere up there where this board is. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to go put this in the bathtub, let it soak, make me a little thing on the workbench. Of course, I need to clean the workbench up. Okay. Goes here. Put this going right here. It'll just sit there. Here's the front board for this bulkhead here. I'm going to move it. Using up gloves, I like that. I'm using up gloves and making progress. As soon as I get caught up on this while I'm waiting on the engine, I'm going to go ahead and clean the workbench up and get started on the wing spars. I have the wood for that. Would you believe it? It's been one of the most gorgeous days here you've ever seen in your life. Man. God's blessing me with some beautiful days. He knows I like the sunshine. I mean, I deal with rain every now and then, but I'm a sunshine kind of person. My wife, she likes the cloudy days and stuff. I don't know. Not me. I want the sun, bright light. I want to hear the birds singing. I'm getting rusty on mixing epoxy though. I keep either mixing too much or not enough. I gotta get used to it again. I mixed about the right amount. Got this cut on a slight angle there. Let's see. Of course, this glues too, you know that plywood it goes over. See, I got a little over 16th there. This side. And let's put this over here. Now, so this needs to face forward, a little airplane symbol right there, shows it which way to face it. And I'm thinking, you don't want it too close to other RF interferences or electronic interferences. The only thing I'm gonna have is an iPad right here, really. It will have a little tachometer over there. So I will run that wire tight down that side. I think I'll move this over a little bit more to get away from that wire. I had to reach in here to get it in and out, charge it up. Put it right there. Try it right there. Alright, so the strap right here, it's that wide. Here, 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 here. See if this I bought a whole little pack of straps on. Go a little ways out here. There. strap too big. All right. Run the next strap. State of the art. What do you think? Very nice. All right, I got a few nuts and bolts I've been holding off on tightening up in the linkage and stuff. I guess I'll do that. I'll probably take the seat out, do some more vacuuming. I vacuumed out, y'all didn't see that. I got hell of a mess, from edging around the nest. Meanwhile, I can't do much more up here. I can't put this next bulkhead up until I know where this one's going to land, so I got a good taper coming into here. And I want some strength, and I got to put a little box around this with an aluminum door right here. And I bought some special stuff to coat this with that'll seal it, keep it from, if I spill a little gas there, from hurting stuff. So the next thing I'll probably do, the next thing I can do on the fuselage is wrap stuff. I really don't want to do that yet. I don't want to start wrapping stuff and stop, but looks like the engine might take a couple weeks to get here. We'll see. I've heard that 2-week stuff, a bunch of times already. I'm gonna start laying out the spars next. I can't do much here. Until I get the engine in, figure out where it sits, where this cowling goes, where this bulkhead goes. Then I can finish this up. Meanwhile, I'll soak this plywood in the tub and make a jig to bend it. Then bend it and dry next couple of days. We'll get that spar going. Maybe one of these days I'll see the only thing left that is owed to me is wing rips from David Cooper, where I bought the kit from. And of course, it still owed me a bunch of money where I had to buy stuff, buy extra glue, get a subpoena and a warrant and all that stuff. But I hope you have a blessed evening and day. Hope this week brings you joy. If you don't have any in your life, see what you can do about getting some. And I can tell you where to start. Look up. Take care.